Water, energy, and food security are at the heart of the human survival, well-being, and economic development. So therefore, we are striving to achieve them. But of course, this achievement has a needs of resource use, which has had a really big impact, a huge impact on development goals. The results are that the people are facing many challenges, and unmet demands are that we have 2 billion peoples that have no manageable drinkable water, 0.8 billion peoples are doesn't have access to energy, and 2.4 billion people are food insecure. At the same time, the projections are that the increasing demand will be increased by 40% for the water use, 9% for the electricity use by 2030, and even 50% for a food production until 2050. I believe that Nexus has the answers to overcome these challenges and to meet the future outcomes regarding the water, energy, and food security. That's why this training school for young researchers is a great possibility to contribute for the increasement of the awareness, but also building the Nexus literacy of future generations.
Hi, my name is Alexander Haradimce. I come from University for Information Science and Technology, St. Paul the Apostle in Ohrid. On this summer school invitation on a cost action nexus, I had the opportunity to represent the university and also to contribute to the summer school to highlight the most important things that science and technology could contribute in a sense of raising the awareness about climate change and in the way that it affects the ecosystem in our southwestern part of the country. Also, I would like to emphasize the importance of the Blue Economy Accelerator program that we have at our university, and which digital solutions and what solutions could help us to raise the awareness about the climate change, and how particular companies are dealing with this aspect, and what kind of solutions could contribute for the ecosystem. I find the info session and the discussion, panel discussion, very informative and contributing to the whole cost action network.
It is really a great pleasure to be here for the whole week. We are starting our second training school in the beautiful place in the Ohrid Lake. We have a lot of international students from all over the Europe participating in this training school, also local participants, and great thanks for the hospitality by Professor Vladimir Kitanovski, who give his efforts in organizing this training school. We have a round of panel discussions with our local stakeholders, because this is really important part of the co-creation when it's water, energy, food nexus in question, and what we wanted to see during these trainings here, and to exchange experience with our participants and with our trainers to learn something more about these climate change effects on these sectors, and how we can find and integrated solutions to deal with all these elements.
It's a great pleasure to be here at the Ohrid Lake for the second NexusNet Summer School. We are very happy to host 10 different trainees from all over the world. I can say we have participants from Chile, from India, from Iran, from Italy, from Greece, Serbia, and also from North Macedonia. We have the pleasure to discuss and exchange knowledge around the WEFE Nexus and the Nexus science and approach in low levels, including stakeholder engagement, participatory modeling, and give many insights regarding this approach. I'm participating here as a trainer, and we're focusing on the case study of Sardinia, that it comes from the Arsinoe project, and we are working on this with the University of Thessaloniki and our coordinator Christilla Spidou. Our aim was to focus on the WEFE nexus and to further develop the food component for the case study of Sardinia.
I'm very thrilled to be part of this training school in such a beautiful setting, and at the same time in such an interesting case study, that of Lake Ohrid. We had the opportunity to learn so many things on this. This training school, I've been a tutor here. I've been giving a case study to the students on an agricultural case study and how it should be presented to different audiences and to different stakeholders. So this training school focuses on the linkage between the WEFE or the WEFE nexus and resilience. And we can all understand, and through our exchange of information and experiences also with the students and the rest of the lecturers here, we can understand how interlinked is the sustainable resources management and the interlinked sectoral management with increasing resilience of our systems on the huge stresses that are already there. So the climate change, the biodiversity collapse, and all that crises, one after the other, that we're facing. This is a hopeful message to me that this community of NexusNet is expanding even more, also through this training school in the most creative way.
Hi, my name is Marko Mančić. I'm an assistant professor from the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering of the University of Niš in Serbia. And I'm happy to be given this opportunity to be part of the cost action NexusNet. I'm here as a trainer, and here the cost action has organized an event which is aimed to, on the one hand side, help students, PhD students and young researchers improve their knowledge and awareness of Nexus drivers, food, water and energy, but also policy drivers, and get some specific experience. For example, for my training course, which can be used as a bottom-up approach in designing zero-net waste, zero-net energy systems, and thus helping the environment and reducing the impact on the environment, but also helping the players in the market reduce their costs at the same time. So sort of a win-win situation. What is very interesting is that, of course, we have an international team, and I see that there are a lot of young researchers who are very enthusiastic, very interested in Nexus problems, and I hope that they will gain this opportunity to expand their knowledge, gain new ideas, and basically have a kind of vision of the future, and that this will aid them in their future careers to contribute to the society in general, to basically help with the problems of food, water and energy nexus as a whole. Probably everybody will act in their own environments, but it doesn't matter. It is important that each of the players every entity contributes at least a little in its own surroundings. If this happens, basically all of us win.
So I'm Adina Vințan from the Jiu Valley, Romania. I'm working on citizens engagement, and I'm very active in the social society, the civic society in the Jiu Valley. And I'm very happy to be here in Ohrid for this training school, the Nexus Training School, where I can meet many people and many specialists in environment. Actually, what I'm trying to do is to talk more about the importance of citizens' involvement and in these environmental issues, because usually citizens don't know, and they are not. We have to make more awareness about the environmental issues that are coming, and I'm very happy that here I could find many experts that can explain, even for a simple citizen, and for a local NGO that is active in their region, why these measures are important and how we should preserve the nature, and what measures we have to take in order to have like a beautiful climate and a sustainable development for our regions.
Hello, I'm Ana Kitic. I'm teaching assistant from Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, University of Niš. I'm here in the Ohrid on second training Nexus school. I already have been to training school of Nexus in Lisbon last year, and I was excited about that school. Everything was really perfect, and I learned about the Nexus. This time I want to expand my knowledge and to learn more about the Nexus and to somehow connect with my doctoral thesis. I have a great experience. I'm working here on case study of Thessaly, and we need to somehow manage to spread knowledge about the Nexus network.
This Nexus school is really a wonderful training opportunity for me, especially from my background in agriculture and agricultural metrology. I specialize in modeling part, but working and listening to these case studies and working in these case studies give me a holistic approach of how to deal the society's problem, and I really see that this will benefit me in the long run.
Hello, my name is Seda Bahtiyar and I am a student in the Faculty of Biotechnical Sciences, Bitola. I'm very happy to be joining and participating in this summer school event. And within this summer school, we were inspired by many top lecturers, and we have gained many knowledges from these lecturers, and this has enriched our knowledge and our professions, which makes us very happy as students. We also had various chances to socialize with people from different countries such as Chile, Colombia, Romania, Greece, Serbia, and etc. And I think this is a great opportunity to be enriching your social network and meeting new people. And at the same time, I would like to take this chance to thank the organizers for organizing such a program where we had various activities and various also chances to connect with these people. Thank you.